You've arrived at your destination.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. 'Cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't let you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, lay your head out on the pillow. I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't let you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime.
Stallion.
Bengicela vele umnakwethu sikhulume ngendoda yethu lena kayenza ingafoni phela amalanga ingangiboni ngintshele ngomshito ongangiphosti sengathi unentombi sikhulume ngendoda yethu lena ubani owathi nginyonwe endala ufana uzenza umseleli akabuza ngelangeni abuye ngiyophuma ngecebo lethu medama inhliziyo ngifaka isipeleni usuna ubuyela kumnini
Free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make me so smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh,
There's another universe. Please make some noise.
Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking one of my videos once again. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope that you like it, I hope that you stay. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And family morning, guys, welcome back to my channel. It is my birthday vlog. Are you not excited? Are you not excited with me? It is my birthday vlog. It is a Saturday, the 24th of May. My birthday is tomorrow, so basically it's my last day as a 21-year-old, and I'm buzzing. Honestly, I'm so happy. I am in Durban. I am in Durban for my birthday, and Bandla, I don't know if there's a way to explain how happy I am at the moment. Like, the words don't exist. They just don't exist. Last night I slept without... Oh, by the way, I got here last night, but I couldn't really vlog because it was dark and I don't have any lights with me. Okay, let me fix this towel, or let me just face this way and continue speaking. So I'm saying, I got here last night in the evening. I got here yesterday in the evening, yes. But wait, let me fix this towel. What I was saying is that I wanted to say that last night I didn't do my skincare, and for the first time this month I failed myself because I've been consistent, but I was just too tired. It was not even a thing of being drunk, but I was working last night, so I slept around 1 a.m. So I didn't have time and the energy to do my face, but grab a glass of wine and enjoy this birthday vlog with me. I'm not sure what we'll be doing today. I mean, we had plans. This entire weekend was like full of plans on what we're going to do on which day. But go Orlando Pirates. If you know that I'm a huge fan of Orlando Pirates. I don't really like soccer. I just love Orlando Pirates. So Orlando Pirates is playing against Amazulu today in Moses Mabhida Stadium. So I am considering watching that match, but I don't know if that will be a successful consideration because I don't want to tell you why, but because guys, one thing about me, my mind changes like in a second. Yesterday I didn't want to go watch Orlando Pirates, but namhlanje I do. So even though we had changed plans because it's on phone, namhlanje ndiyafuna, so we'll see if that actually happens. Yeah, but I don't have much to say. I just wanted to do an intro to this video and welcome you guys to my birthday vlog, vacation, if you may, and what else? Getaway is all I wanna do. A little getaway with you. Able? Yeah. So just sit back and relax and watch this video until the very end. I don't know when I'll speak to you again, but please make sure that you don't skip any parts. If anything, after watching this video, maybe tomorrow, watch it again. Yes, or maybe even later today if it's in the morning. No matter, but please watch it again for my sake.
This can't be life if there's a point to lose and lose, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place, I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. They'll find
For the lose right now, it's all eyes on me right now. Sorry. Oh, if I tell you that I need you, would you take away the pain? Would you come and beg? I cannot continue carrying all your insecurities. I got more priorities. If it were up to me, you would make it up to me. I'm clear with that. One.
Sorry.
Nah.
Tata lelo na buko. Bishipe siya kamarin. Babonila ubengela pa kuyo. Babonila ubengela bethatha le.
Akena ko 6 up. Oh fuck.
Tendla lapha baby.
Ayenzi into lonto. Baby bulapha.
Bela.
Bulapha. 1 2
Azofisana nawe.
Bana maqhi. Yo.
Teo yandropa kodwa.
Ana khaleze.
Awu yandropa wo.
God. 1
6.
Situation.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
Hi bo.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
Kada afela ubelo 6 balandelelana.
The story.
Icho la game ka baqale.
Why you gonna do that, baby? Are you gonna do that, Luam?
Para uno banu wesithathu mo. Sal.
Ah, tokwazi bana.
feel up on me, baby, look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with him. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with him. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby.
Good morning, my friends. I hope no one is mad at me, but if you were to be mad at me, child, I would totally understand, because I feel like I have neglected this particular vlog so much. I don't know, because I haven't started editing yet, but I feel like everything is everywhere, or everything is all over the place. I don't know. Yeah, but it's my birthday. That's why I'm here. I was like, I have to make an announcement. It is my birthday, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. The girl turned 22 with no kids, 22 with no kids, 22 with no kids, 22 with no kids. I'm so happy, like, yo, bandla. And I feel like even with this vlog, it bothers me a bit that Ankwazu, I feel like it's not well curated. Maybe today's going to be better, I don't know, but I feel like so far it's not well curated, and that's only because I'm so happy. And it's not even about living in the moment. I just forget. Like, into vlogger leaves my mind completely. But anyway, it is a new year, new me. Very grateful. Very content with almost everything. Hey, that was very deep. That was very deep. And the universe is listening. But if anything, shame, I am very grateful. So yeah, it is in the morning. Don't mind my dress. It's because I don't have any. It was either this or I come here naked. Yeah, basically. I don't know if you saw this dress yesterday, but I was wearing this dress. What did I do yesterday? I'm sure you won't know. But this is how she looks. I'm saying that again. I'm flash. It's long. And then I'm wearing my Croxies. I got it from Temu. If you didn't watch my previous vlog, I made a Temu haul, and this dress was there. So if you didn't watch it, please do watch it after this video, obviously. But it is my birthday, guys, and today I'm not sure exactly. Yes, I'm never sure of what we're doing, because ingqondo changes very quickly and my man's mind nayo ichinja ngoku. So, and most of the time they don't align, and I know it's because of me, but it's okay. But into that's bothering me right now is that I'm sick. I'm not well, I'm sick. I think it's the alcohol, the amount of alcohol consumption was out of this world. And I was drinking gin and tonic, so I saw la gin and tonic. Maybe it doesn't like me, because I woke up in the AMs. That's when I had the hangover. Ngoku ansena hangover on the right, but in the AMs I was paying, okay? I was paying for each and every sin in the Nzilaphi, but I'm feeling better now. It's just that I have a running stomach here and there. This is me convincing myself, because there's no way that I'm going to stay in the house on my birthday just because I'm sick. But so a party toilet paper, and this is gonna be good toilet some. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly what we're doing today, but stay tuned. And my video, another vlog of mine is going live today. So, and there's nobody is what happy birthday club video, which is the birthday preparations video. Okay, is what happy birthday kule. But either way, thank you so much. Very, very nice. Yeah, but guys, I still can't do my edges, so diphila lempilo. Diyazenza ekseni ngolo hlobo lizenze ngalo, obviously, because there's no way that I'm not going to try. And then by 2 p.m. kanjena zibanje So I don't know if story Samba Sitini, but I'm loving this hairstyle so much. I love her. Yeah, let's get on with it this day and see what exactly happens and see if I even get better. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hey, thank you Nike for featuring me. Thank you so much, guys. Please continue watching the video until the end and leave a comment if you like the video or if you like me. Please leave a comment, and then like, comment, or subscribe. And then after subscribing, you share the link. You can share it on your WhatsApp status or your story. I mean, I wouldn't be mad if you make a post about it, but share it to your story at least. And then, yeah, comment. Oh, most importantly, this is one thing that I wanted to say. Please watch the video until the very end. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but today we're not grabbing a glass of wine, we're grabbing coffee. Grab a coffee and continue watching my vlog. Thank you. Hello. Are you happy to see me? Are you happy to see me? I want to neglect tongue and planche. Can you see? I want to show you what I'm wearing before we leave. Bracelets from Temu. These are the clip-on earrings. Clip-on because my ears are not pierced, so I'm not sure how long they're gonna stay on, but this is in my Temu haul, so you can just go and check it out if you want to know more about this. And then my edges. Please don't judge me, hey? Please don't judge me. I'm trying my best. Yes, as I was doing these edges, I was like, what if I will never ever know how to do my edges? Because I've been trying for like 3-4 months. Imagine doing that every day, but still as Bob. What if I will never ever know how to do my edges? I don't know if I should put you here and then move back. Oh yes. Okay, there's a but I'm not sure if I can do that. Dress is from Temu, and then I'm wearing these shoes. They are from Temu as well, and I'm carrying my black purse. It's also from Temu. Let's go.
Girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana ni. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Shorty's too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Ride your pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you girl, girl, I know you wanna. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I'll never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without
Yeah, I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, even know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rain, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk to for hours, wash your back while y'all sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you and mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better, somebody who can open up those gates, open up those gates to your heart. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be found as they sing along.
Sunburn again. I am back from Durban and I just realized when I was editing this video that it does not have an outro, and I would love for this video to have an outro. Where do I start? First of all, the most important part, thank you for watching a video until this part. You just have a few more minutes to watch, or maybe even seconds, not sure how long I'm going to yap for, but this entire video is very close to my heart. It's very close to my heart because for many reasons. Number one, I have never lived, I've never been on a vacation before. Number one, let's just start there. I have never been on a vacation, let alone go be vacation. But yeah, that's number one. Number two, it's in a province that I've never been in with, okay, I've met Zulu people before, but guys, I have a whole different perspective about Zulu people. Okay, Ndine, I feel like the Zulu people we experience in Pretoria or in Gauteng are not the actual Zulu people. Zulu people are so friendly, they are so nice, they're so welcoming, badla. Or maybe it's because I'm Xhosa, so the languages are almost fun, but it's not the same. So because again, they are less friendly to people about like maybe Tswana, Tsonga, Pedi, Sotho people. They are not. But guys, Abantu, they are so polite, and the reason why I'm saying this is because Abanye Abantu, I had interactions with them in English, so it wasn't a giveaway that I'm not, and they would respond in English. Abanye, they were so friendly. There's this babe, oh, by the way, I traveled using a bus from Pretoria to Durban. It was a 9 hours drive. Yeah. On my way back, if you are a regular traveler in your bus, you'll know that you're off moving your seat back. Abantu, sometimes they just move their seat backs. This is what I used to do, guys, but I'm not going to do it again after seeing that lady. Most izitulo zakho, they are meant to go back so that you can relax and sleep if you want to, yabon. So abanye abantu, they don't do that. They just sit straight, and then if you're sitting straight, your knees are going to touch the seat that's in front of you. So when the other person moves back, and then you'll feel the pressure and ask them to please move forward instead of you moving back. But Sisana, both times I was sitting behind this other lady and then the other lady, both times they asked me about, hi, is it fine if I move my seat back? And I'm like, okay, yeah, it's fine. And then they move their seat back and like, are you fine? I'm like, yeah, I'm okay, it's okay, don't worry, like, I'm comfortable. And then even when I was going back again, they were like, it was a different person, obviously. And then they asked me the same thing, and they were both Zulu girls or Zulu ladies because they are older than me. And I'm just like, abantu are so kind. And coincidentally, when I was coming back, I said to the next person I was sitting next to when I was going to Durban. I almost said Pretoria. Yeah, I didn't go to Pretoria, but yeah. And also that lady was also very nice. But yeah, those are just like a few people. But even when I got to the bus station, the drivers, the people, the service providers, yeah, those were my top 10. The service providers, guys, even though sometimes they don't quite get what you're trying to say, because most of the time I speak my home language, and then that's when I assume that Umuntu doesn't understand what I'm saying because of my language, I then switch to English. But guys, the entire experience, the apartment, oh my god, the apartment, 10 out of 10. I say 10 out of 10, but I don't really mean 10 out of 10. If I were to rate it like I would say 9 out of 10. But it was beautiful. And I think one thing about like blow my mind is because the pictures, I don't know if the quality of the phone that was taking the pictures, or the camera, it does not look as good. By the way, we used booking.com to book. It does not look as good on the thingy. It's just like, okay, yeah, we almost didn't book it because of that, because the pictures they were not breathtaking. But when we got there, from the bedroom, the bathroom, the lounge or sitting area, the kitchen is tiny, but it's stunning. And the fact that you can sit on the other side on those high chairs, the balcony, the views, I can already see how I want my apartment to be like. And this Galeleba, I'm not leaving home if my apartment is not going to be stunning. Like, as long as they got then I'm not leaving, because that's what I want. Like, the place is quite, guys, if you do wanna go to Durban, or you're in Durban and you're looking for a place, I feel like Landau, we booked on booking.com. It's called the Harbour Hideaway. For 3 nights, it was 2,700 and something, because it was not 2.7 exactly. It's 2,700 and I remember 56.33 cents. But obviously the prices change depending on which day of the week you're booking in, which time of the month and time of the year. So it's going to be higher in peak days. But yeah, the entire experience was marvelous. The company was a definite 10 out of 10. Like, yo, bandla. I still can't believe that it was my birthday, because even on my birthday I kept forgetting that it was my birthday, until maybe I open my phone and then I see a message, maybe someone says happy birthday Kanye, how's your birthday going, it is kanjani. To me, I was just living in the moment, bandla, and having the time of my life. But I think that's all I have to say. There's probably more that I wanted to say before recording this video, but we're back in Pretoria and a new vlog is coming. So we are in the groove, we are in the consistent era. Ziapopa, I shouldn't have said that, it's so ghetto. Ziapopa, oh my god. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it enough to give it a like, to comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Until next time, bye.